Are we going to draw today or what?
So today I want to draw the top half of like a werewolf. Make it quite sketchy because I'm not exactly sure if it's going to work out, but I'm going to draw the claws and stuff and the arms. So like coming forward, so we've got like a leg there and other bits and bobs, and I want to make this more like the classic wolfman, not like a full, you know, like werewolf, you know, like proper, you know, not like Twilight bollocks, you know, just a wolf or something like that. Even though they, you know, does look good drawing wolves, but it's a werewolf, so try and just sketch. I do like the rags and stuff that will be on the wolf. Draw the eyes there. Draw the hair. Actually, I want the mouth to be a bit wider, so just give it a bit more of a wider looking edge. Jaw. Leg will be in the distance there, fade into the sort of back, and some rags on the trousers as well. So we've got our initial sort of figure of this werewolf. I just have to draw a bit more of the hands. I want these more to be a bit more claw-like, where they're trying to look like they're gonna grab you, sort of thing. And they can be worked out a bit more, and obviously this, you know, hand. So I probably want to zoom in a bit now so you can see a bit more closer. So I just need to clean up that face a bit more and add more detail to it. Do the ears at the side, because it's more like of a wolfman sort of drawing than a proper werewolf, so work on them frown lines as well. I just need to do an extra tooth in there that's I missed out. Do the outside teeth as well. Just straighten this jaw slightly. It's a bit uneven, so let's get that side on there. Get the eraser on it. So yeah, got the initial sketch sort of right. Work on a bit more of these rags on the, just like the old shirt, you know, ripped and stuff. Best if I just put them in there. And bloody dog, always barking. I hate living here. This area just depresses me. It's not the dogs, it's mainly the area. Anyway. Should see the owners of the dogs. Anyway. So we've roughly got this sort of how we want it. Lots of creases on the shirt rags there. Just adds something to it, I suppose. Hands need a bit more work. But yeah, I'm never going to properly finish this drawing. I don't think. It's a rough concept, and I'd rather try and maybe ink a bit of it and just see how it goes. Ink a bit of the outline. creases on there. Best if I use a thicker line, quite a lot of them. Bit of shadow underneath. Try and keep them arms sort of like muscular looking, so quickly ink a bit of these rags here and there. And I think I'll use a thinner ink pen for the actual face, because I think a lot of the hairs I could just ruin or something, or make it totally a bit shit. So remember I've got the ears there, just at the side. Remember the old Wolfman? This is 1950s or something, or probably no, it'll be earlier now, 1930s or something. The old Universal film, where they painted the nose black, and you know, they probably pitched in like borrowed everyone's like beard hair and you know, pubes and stuff, and just stuck it on the you know, the wolf. I mean, like, well, the actor who played it, Lon Chaney, I think it was. You know, just hilarious looking, but at the time it must have been scary, I suppose. Yeah. All the thin lines. Good thing about creating these quick sketches is when I do have the time, I can go back on the light box and trace it and take my time with it. Shadow under the eyes. Maybe wild looking eyebrows. Legs like going in the distance, obviously, like rips in the trousers and things. And the hands, I'm just gonna quickly outline them. I'm not gonna, I can always improve it another time. Quick sketching at its best. probably another finger there. See, I can always come back to it. It's the sketch is going to be there anyway. What matters to me more is the energy of the drawing. You know, there's maybe some movement lines, there's stuff coming off, maybe sweat or something, or blood, or who knows. And probably dribble comes from the mouth as well. And that's really it, really. Don't want to do too much more, spend too much time on it. Let's move on to the next drawing. So this Wolfman drawing is workable. I can create a proper illustration out of it. It's already like the sort of like template for the illustration that I wanted to do anyway. I could add some background to it, maybe bursting through a window, who knows, I don't know. Yeah, that might look quite cool actually. So yeah, I'm just going to leave that today for today's vlog. Just show you up close, quick Wolfman sketch. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers now.